Hi guys, want to give you a quick video, just a tip on how to get these out safely without damaging it. You want to get the perfect size for what you're doing, right? And it sometimes seems a little tricky, right? So this is what I'm gonna do. So normally, based on how it's designed, there is one in and one out. One in, one out, and you do it like that and you never damage this guy. Okay, it's as simple as that. One in, one out. One in, and then you take the next one in the other direction. Right? So you don't try to knock this second one all the way in, you gotta bring it out. Right? You just take your time. You just like that. That one is out. And if I want the next one, I gotta go in, take this one inside. Right? So that is just a quick video. Alright guys.